How to hard reset your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hard reset your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find your general. Now tap on your general. And after you're on your general, scroll down all the way and there you should see an option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you'll get two options. One is to reset everything, and if you tap on it, you'll see all the options for the reset, and the other one is erase all content and settings. If you tap on it, you'll notice that doing this step will remove each and everything, including your apps and data, Apple account, and your Find My details on your iPhone. If you tap on continue, you'll get a pop-up with the erase iPhone option. If you tap on it, everything on your iPhone will get erased, and that is basically how you do a hard reset on your iPhone. And that is all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.